All right, welcome everyone. My name is Isaac Matt, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer your Canva designs, your Canva projects from one team to another. Okay, so you want to launch the Canva app, and you just have to ensure that you are on the team that has the design. Okay, so you want to click on menu and you want to click on this drop down and just ensure you select the team that has the design you want to transfer. Okay, so I'll go back to my home, and this is the design I want to transfer the project. So I can just click on these three dots and I want to click on share. Okay, but there's another way you can also do that. Let me show you. So just go back and click on the design. So you want to click on this icon here and you want to click on share link. Okay, so you can just click on this drop down here and change it to anyone with the link can access. Okay, so once you select it and ensure that this drop down is on can edit. Okay, you can see there are three options. Ensure it is can edit so that it is editable. So just click on copy link, click on copy, and now you want to go back to your, if you have a notepad, you want to drop it down somewhere. Okay, so if you don't have the notepad, you can just download it from your Play Store or App Store. Okay, so I'll just paste the link and then I'll go back to my Canva. So let's go back and switch. So select the next team you want to move this design to. Okay, so I'll go back, I'll click on menu and I'll click on this drop down here. So let me select the team. So this is this team I want to use, Pro Team Go, and so you can see the projects I have here, and I want to add the other one we just did. Okay, so I'll just go back to my notepad and then I'll click on the link. Let me highlight the link and I'll click on open. You can see it to direct me to Canva. Okay, so normally whether you're using a browser, it's supposed to direct you to the Canva app. Okay, so you can see you can edit the design from this new theme. Okay, so you want to just go back. Canva normally will save, they will auto save your designs for you, so you can just go back and you want to reload this. Let me reload. Okay, so just close the Canva app and open it again. So once you open the Canva app, the design should reflect. Okay, let's see. You can see your project, so you can see the design we just transferred. Okay, so that is how to transfer projects from one team to another. Okay, so that'll be all. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, and if you have any question you want to ask, just drop them in the comment section and I'll be willing to help you solve your problems. Okay, thank you very much. I remain Isaac Matz and I'll see you in another class. Bye.